back here.
Good day,
in
guys.
Suzette's
Welcome back
Kitchen.
here in Suzette's Kitchen. So we've done with the pizza. So I told you we're going to. I'm going to share with you the avocado ice cream, the real one, and she's the fake one. So come with me and let's make the Thank you so much for watching the part 1 of the episode of the summer party suggestion. The overload Hawaiian pizza and the ice cream. By the way, guys, so now we have here our ingredients. So let's start our avocado ice cream and mango ice cream. どうですか？
うまい。これいいよ。ちょうどいい味。甘くもないし、マンゴーの味もあるし。これはうまいよ。うん。
食べきれる？
ベリーグッ
食べきれる
ド。
ね。ありがとう。
これみんな食べた方がいい。うまい。
Oh, masarap siya kasi hindi ka mauuya dahil hindi matamis. Kahit na makailang kain ka, okay lang. Wala pang itataba.
Arigato. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you will enjoy this ice cream recipe. And this is the shout out time. I would like to welcome you here in Suzette's Kitchen family. The following: AMB channel, Gamer's Guide, Sergobada, Look Fun, Crudre Jasby, and Garden Center 2019,
Sport Dan Pijo.
and Loco di Dano. I hope I pronounced it well, guys. Thank you so much and welcome here in Suzette's Kitchen. And if you are new to my channel, your subscription is certainly appreciated. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave this thumbs up. And if you're going to share this video to your family and friends, I will be grateful. And if you don't want to miss my new upload videos, please click this notification bell and you will be notified every time I will upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for the Suzette's Kitchen family. In every comment that you commented in the comment section, I really read it. So if you have some question or any suggestion, I'm really willing to read it. So please comment anything down below or any question, I will answer it. So that's all for today's video, guys. And I always tell you this, that don't forget that every day there's a reason to smile. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.